welcome to the Goa Sports Lawas para sa ating main game dito sa bakbakan ng home court. Goa versus Iriga City para sa ating pagpapatuloy pa rin ng ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. Happy na mabitawan at nabitawan na karurukan with the acrobatic shot. Rebound by Vivares. Sinimplihan na lang doon.
Yes, Coach. Yun na yung sinasabi, Coach. The boys are here to play. See if there is any form of success for pressing the home team here. And Huawei Kadir scores again.
Gandang drop pass noon. Basket attack coach ni Vivares. Then drops to Kadir kay Cruz. Vivares with a long three. Kaboom!
Vivares with that three. And that shot is brought to you by Hotel Vinesa Experience.
AJ Perea comes to request. Ayun na nga. Turnover. Vivares lumipad for two.
Grabe yung Coach. Lumilipad.
Pagpahinga ni Coach Ray Rahola, ang ating Lodi coach.
Grabe yun.
Grabe naman ang pit.
Vivares, Coach. With the,
Crossover behind the back.
parang Paul Pierce. Step back.
Is that root? Yun naman, parang dito
Oo.
sa Goa.
Kapatid ng ating player.
Ganda naman doon. Slicing through defense. Rafael Vivares. Vivares versus Magpantay. Screen by Padua. Vivares hangs. And two. Grabe talaga coach itong pinapakitang gilas ngayon ni Rafael Vivares.
Vivares
Bawi,
has
bawi.
the green lights on.
Bantayan, napakaganda naman itong tingnan.
Ito yung tatawagin nating masi-masi.
Yes.
Masi-masi match-up.
Rafael Vivares with a drop pass to Luzada.
Napakaganda, Coach.
Kasama pang foul.
Oo. Pamilya.
Ayan na nga. Ganda na break kasi ni Rafael na Vivares doon. At gandang drop.
Grabe, Coach.
Ang time nagkapit pa ako sa ere. Bumaba nung malamig na. Ayun.
What he is supposed to do. Kaya yan na. Parang may...
Karurukan all alone on the transition. At lamang na coach. Ang team Goa ngayon.
Goa now only with a 1-point lead here, Coach. Vivares.
Pops and pops is
Grabe, Coach. Nilagay, Coach, sa may tagiliran. Sabay pinagpag for Team Iriga at this juncture. Vivares drives.
Iba yung coach yung stripes nung Vivares. Pero di ko alam kung saan magsa-sidestep eh. The foul down. Ito na. Rafael Vivares stops and pops for three!
Yes, sir! And that 3 points on to Camarines Sur.
Yes. Maraming salamat po. Ito na si Rafael Vivares with a left-hand layup. Pinasabay pa coach doon. Vernon Magpantay binibigyan ng screen dito ni Gino Padua. Magpantay versus Vivares. Pulsa pa. 3 may foul!
Oh!
Counted!
Yun na yung Coach! Ayun na!
Buhay na buhay!
The dogs are out! Naririnig mo na!
Grabe dito kahit pukusan pa yan mga crowd na yan. Every shot, 2 points, 3 points. Kasama sila nagse-celebrate. Ang crowd ng Goa, matindi.
And that potential 4-point play, Coach, is brought to you by Hotel Vinesa. Vivares as their main offensive weapon this ball game.
Ayan na, Mark Rico. Alley-oop to Vivares! Grabe! Morning, wala. Rebound ni Vivares.
Napakagandang depensa, Coach.
Uy,
Gino
makisad
Padua.
doon! Si Karurukan!
Yeah!
Hindi nakita ni Jason Orada, coach, na may tao sa likod niya. Vernon Magpantay to AJ Perea.